Did you know many people are having trouble with cleaning their washing machine filters? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Find filter. Locate the filter compartment on the washing machine and pull out the filter frame. Step 2. Clean lint. Open the filter frame and clean the lint filter with your fingers or warm, soapy water if needed. Step 3. Rinse foam. Remove and rinse the foam filter under running water, checking for any damages. Step 4. Insert foam. Realign and insert the foam filter into the frame, ensuring proper alignment with locating tabs. Step 5. Vacuum and replace. Use a vacuum to clean the frame and opening, then replace the filter assembly into the compartment. Now you should be able to effectively clean your GE washing machine's dual-stage filter. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other GE users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.